Thermoptech technology provides you with the ultimate protection from a house fire. The alarm is thermally enhanced, so when it detects an increase in temperature, it makes the optical sensor extra sensitive, therefore going into alarm much quicker than a standard optical alarm. It's the technology of choice for the UK Fire and Rescue Service, so must be good.